Mumbai, or as it is fondly called, Maximum City, is bursting at its seams. Every day, the city witnesses a million dreams being born and extinguished. People leave their homes and are drawn to the city, hoping for a better life. The city has everything: good roads, electricity, education, healthcare. But the irony is, they are only for those who can afford it. But health is an economic asset to the poor. Good health is the hope that drives him to believe that he will make it big someday. And if you take that away from him, there is nothing. A majority of the residents live in slums, in terrible overcrowded conditions, hoping to make a meager living. But the lack of good health and hygiene makes these places breeding grounds for some of the worst diseases. And the demographics of the location make it a tough challenge for healthcare providers. One of the biggest challenges is tuberculosis. India has over 2.1 million cases of tuberculosis, the highest in the world. But the more alarming fact is that over 1 million cases of active TB have gone either unreported or undiagnosed. Left untreated, each person with active TB can infect 10 to 15 people a year. With 60% of a population of 12.5 million living in slums, Mumbai is at high risk for TB. In 2012, Mumbai reported cases of extreme drug-resistant TB, which led to the birth of Mumbai Mission for TB Control, which functions under a 7-pronged approach.
Now, one of the biggest challenges that in Mumbai, almost 50% of the population at first time they reach the private sector.
They are unable to afford direct consultation to the consultings or the hospitals. They do not come directly to us. They do not reach us. These patients, they have blind faith on their general practitioners. They are the Ayush doctors.
All of us knew that there were many symptomatics who require diagnostic services. But unfortunately, due to accessibility and other problems, they would never even reach the macroscopy center and they would be left unattended, maybe continuing the chain of transmission.
We feel that the private sector is not being sensitized enough on the TB problem, and that is why we wanted a kind of a systematic approach where we can enroll the private sector into the program.
So therefore we set up this innovative concept called Private Provider Interface Agency, or otherwise PPIA, to engage the private sector in better TB control in India.
We explain it as is the hub and the spoke model. So we have these chest physicians and the MD physicians based out of a hospital. The hospital itself should have these services which we want to offer to the patients. So PPI basically is a one-stop shop for all the services that the patient would get in-house at a single point. And that's how it's an early diagnosis.
The Private Provider Interface Agency engages with the private sector. The first step in this process is to create a network of doctors and engage with them. This is done by a team of highly motivated field officers who have experience as medical representatives. A day's work for the field officers includes meeting various private healthcare providers in the deepest pockets of the slums or in the comforts of a big hospital. Once the doctor is on board, patients are given access to diagnostic and treatment services. While informal doctors can only give X-ray vouchers, formal doctors can also initiate treatment. Once a patient utilizes a service under the PPIA, he or she is registered under the project. The field staff registering the patient inform the project's contact center. And here, a unique patient ID is created with the help of the specially designed Universal Access to TB Care software. The program now has access to the patient's essential details and treatment progress report, making the patient's information easily accessible. Usually, as a first step, the doctors recommend an X-ray test, which is provided free of cost to the patient. The patient is given either a paper voucher or an e-voucher via SMS for the procedure. The patient then consults an in-house chest or MD physician at an engaged hub hospital. The doctors charge a subsidized fee for their visits. The doctors recommend a Gene Expert test for confirmation and resistance testing. Gene Expert is a revolutionary WHO-endorsed molecular test that detects the DNA in TB bacteria. It uses a sputum sample, which is packed and delivered directly to the accredited labs by the PPIA staff. Here, the sample is loaded into cartridges and the result is available in less than 2 hours. Once the patient is confirmed to have TB, the doctor initiates treatment. The patient receives a treatment e-voucher on his or her phone generated by the contact center, which the patient takes to the chemist. The chemist provides the patient free first-line anti-TB drugs on a monthly basis. Laboratories and chemists validate voucher numbers by calling the contact center and then dispense drugs to the patient. Thus, patients receive hassle-free service delivery. Patients also receive reminders about treatment via text messages and phone calls. If a patient has a case of multi-drug resistant TB, he or she is referred to the public sector to initiate treatment. Thus, this program also supports early detection of MDR-TB in Mumbai.
So that means you have bonded a private and a public partnership. You have increased that over here, which is the need of an hour right now.
But that's not all. Treatment adherence is an important component in TB control. Thus, the PPIA has partnered with dedicated and passionate NGOs, Maharashtra Jana Vikas Kendra and Alert India, who have worked for years in the field of TB awareness and control. Their knowledge of the community and the patients make them an asset to the program. Field workers conduct regular patient follow-up visits where they counsel, monitor and support patients in completing the TB treatment regimen. Thus, different checks are maintained to ensure treatment adherence. These include daily SMS reminders to take medicine, weekly calls to the patient from the contact center to check if they have taken drugs, and drug refill tracking via the Universal Access to TB Care initiative. NGO staff send reminders about doctors' visits and consultations. In this way, the program combines technology with a human touch. In a nutshell, services available under the PPIA include free digital chest X-rays at a network laboratory, free Gene Expert tests, sputum sample collection and transportation for Gene Expert tests, facilitation of TB case notification to the National TB Program, provision of free first-line anti-TB drugs, counseling and treatment adherence support to TB patients via field health workers, as well as weekly calls and SMS reminders from the contact center. PPIA is a dynamic model that evolves with the learning on the ground. The project understands that the needs of one area differ from the needs of the next, and the model allows flexibility in its execution. This project is being developed by some of the best minds, incorporating management, marketing, sales, and social work knowledge and experience.
PPI is a game changer. This program clearly gives each and every party associated with it a clear, tangible incentives whichever is required to the particular party.
इसने मेरे practice को काफी support किया. When now in this when I am seeing the 100 patient now, so I think that 30-40 patient due to the PPI project.
If you want to talk about our public health responsibility, check. Patients receiving proper diagnostic tools as well as treatment, check, absolute check. And thirdly, as I said, we are just sitting in our clinics and patients are being got to us. So that's from the doctor's perspective, that it's good for business.
Being a private physician, a private chest physician, I will just focus on the patient who's sitting next to me, in front of me. I'll prescribe and I'll leave. What happens to him in the field, I do not know. So the program is going to help me as a physician over here. They are keeping track of my patients.
इसमें आर्थिक स्थिति में जो यहाँ पर 4,000 रुपया लगने वाला है, 5,000 रुपया लगने वाला है, वहाँ पर यहाँ 1,000 रुपया में काम होता है.
Well, they're quite sincere and they have done their groundwork quite well in terms of liaising with the local general practitioners, then local pathology labs, etc. So there are hardly any loose ends.
because of this project, way more patients than before are getting treated, and diagnosed with tuberculosis and treated very quickly. So we make sure that the turnaround time, which was earlier weeks because of cultures, have now gone down to maybe 1 day. So we make sure that we give the report in a day's time, so the treatment is started as early as possible.
PPI जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये हमारे MGK के लिए एक बहुत ही एम्पावरिंग टूल है कि इसकी वजह से हमको इतना सारे केस मिल रहे हैं, इतने सारे पेशेंट से काम करने का हमको मौका मिला.
So this kind of model is definitely working, and we should also think of sustainability of this model in future.
Now that we've done a decent job in Mumbai, we can also replicate the model in other cities and geographies by tweaking certain aspects of it, and not just for TB, but for other diseases as well.
TB is the first step for us. The basic premise of this model is to tap into the private health system and partner with them and help conquer one disease at a time. Maybe all of them together. I think all of them together is better.